Hello there. Realme has just launched the latest tablet, Realme Pad 2. Now this is an affordable offering from the company and this undercuts the competition by a good margin. But before we get into the unboxing and the price, let me give you a quick spec readout on this machine. Now this tablet comes with a 11.5-inch 120Hz high refresh rate display, which is also a 2K panel. It has a Helio G99 MediaTek chipset to handle the processing and multitasking. It also gets an 8360 mAh battery to power it up, along with 33-watt super whoop charging for quick charge. Now this also gets Dolby Atmos quad speakers and a metallic body design. Now this tablet, it begins at Rs 19,999 for the base variant, and the top spec variant I have here with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage is priced at 22,999, which is surprisingly undercutting the Xiaomi Pad 6. Now let's get to the unboxing part and see what we get inside the box of the Realme Pad 2. Right off the bat, you have the tablet inside, the Realme Pad 2 display side up, and when you flip it over, there's this green color that we can see right now. Let me put this aside for a while and check out the other contents of this box. Now on one side, we have this cardboard cutout, and in here we get a SIM ejector tool. Now why is it there? Because this tablet, the Realme Pad 2, is a 4G LTE tablet. Now there's no Wi-Fi only model. Both the variants of this tablet get SIM connectivity, so you can put a SIM in here and use it for mobile usage as well. Now on the other side, you have another small little compartment for the charger. This is a 33-watt super whoop charger. This is a USB-A brick, and next to it we have the USB-A to C cable, which will power up this tablet. Okay, so let me put the box aside now. Getting to the showstopper, the Realme Pad 2 right here. Satisfactory peeling experience there, and here we have the tablet. Okay, wow. Okay, so first things first, this is really light, and this is an 11.5-inch screen. It's a big display and you can tell it by the size of it. Okay, so the back is fairly fingerprint and smudge resistant, but when you come to the front, that's not the case. This display is attracting a lot of smudges. Alright, but that aside, there are volume rockers on the side, the power button on the top along with 2 speakers, and on the other side you have 2 more speakers along with the USB-C port for charging. And on this side, opposite to the front camera side, you have the SIM ejector tray, and here your 4G SIM will go in, and that's about it for the tablet. And there is the front facing camera on the long side of the bezel, so you can use it for video calling and landscape mode. Alright, so let me really quickly boot this up. Okay, now the Realme Pad 2 is booted up and we will be testing this device for the coming few days. So if you have any questions about the Realme Pad 2, let us know in the comments and keep following this channel for the full review.